We waited almost 3 hours just to reach this lake. This is Eibsee, and honestly, I didn't expect it to be this hard. It's a must visit, no doubt, but getting there, not so easy. If you're taking the bus from Garmisch, just be prepared. They only come once every hour, and in summer, the rush is insane. We were literally standing in the sun, just baking, waiting for a bus that never seemed to come. And when it finally did, it was completely packed. But the moment we reached,
Oh my god.
it's absolutely stunning. If you're planning to go, start early to enjoy scenic views with lesser people, and don't skip the lake walk. It's so worth it. Follow me for the real travel experiences in Germany.